Hello class 6 friends, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 6 students, as you know, in the computer subject, those teach by me, the 7th chapter is going on. It is the second last chapter in the current session, and in this chapter we talk about the object in publisher application. As you know, previously we have to talk about how we can insert a shape and how can we do the format of shapes. Okay. Then after you also know what the situation is going on in the classes. So firstly, all of you just take your book and on that book open the page number 88. Okay. On there you just open the page number 88. In the 88 page number, the statement is giving building blocks. Building blocks. Okay. It means firstly we can read about it like building blocks are reusable objects in publisher 2013. This statement is that clear? The building blocks are reusable objects. These building blocks can be a combination of text, graphics, shapes and other building blocks. It means building blocks is a combination of text, graphics, shapes and other building blocks. These building blocks can be accessed and reused at any time. Accessed and reused at any time. It means when you just need about it, that times you use it. There are 5 types of building blocks in publisher, out of which 4 are available in the building blocks group and the 5th business information is available in the text. Okay. Now, page parts, it provides pre-format elements such as heading, sidebars, text and images. Page part is a type of building block where we get pre-format element such as heading, sidebar, text and images. Calendars it provides some pre-designed calendars format. Pre-designed calendar format, it means that calendar already created. Border and accents, it can be used to add graphic element such as border and frame to a publication. As you know, what is the border? Border is a rectangle portion and frame is also similar. Frame is also similar to the border, but same have another kind. Okay, and it is another. Okay. Now advertisements, it provides pre-designed elements for the advertisement including coupons with which you can create your own advertisement. Okay. Now business information, you can create your text business contact information using the predefined formats. Okay. Now, so in the 5 building blocks, we have to build our publication with a type of object. Those you like. Working with pictures, it is also an object. Okay. So working with pictures is also a type of object. And picture enhance the visual appeal of a document. In some documents, aided pictures can be essential. For example, a brochure cannot be created without the use of picture in it. The picture tool in Publisher 2013 lets you add and modify image in your document. It means when you insert a pictures in the documents, on that time the visual representation is going to be good. Okay, so the picture insertion is important for you. These are such steps of way to insert a pictures, like that online pictures from file, where you want to just like to insert a picture. On that type you have to insert a picture. Adding pictures in a scratch area. Suppose you want to not use the picture in Publisher, and that picture you want to just beside of that Publisher, it means the scratch area. So you can drag the pictures from the scratch area. Arranging pictures and thumbnails. As you know that if you just arrange the pictures according to the picture style, and if you want to just change the picture, view the pictures as the thumbnails view, so both are probabilities possible as you want. Swapping pictures. Suppose you just swap your pictures from one place to another place in the Publisher. That features is also available. You may do that. Cropping a picture. Cropping a pictures is a options by which you just remove the undesired part of your image. Okay. Aligning image. Suppose that you want to just align your image on the top side, bottom side, middle side. As your requirement, you can arrange your pictures. Resizing a picture by holding the arrow corner options of pictures. When you just select, you will be able to resize your pictures. Wrapping the text around the pictures. It is possible when you want to just close the pictures nearest the text. It means the text is not over and downside of the picture. It is visible as there the picture is. Okay. Setting picture as a background. If you need that pictures stored in the background of Publisher, on that you just choose the pictures sent in the background. Modify brightness and contrast is another features in the Publisher, by which you just do the brightness high, do the contrast low. So it is feature is given in Publisher as you need. On that you have to change. Recoloring a picture. It is a option by which you just recolor the pictures. It means you can change the effect of the pictures in the Publisher. Compressing a picture. Compressing is a features by which you just increase the and decrease the size of a picture. Applying the picture style. There are a lot of picture styles is given. So you just select one for your slide, for your picture. Adding a caption. Adding a caption a features by which you just define the name of pictures. It means what the name of that pictures. Okay. In the keywords, there is given on the page number 96 thumbnails. So graphic image in reduced size. Okay. Graphic image in reduced size. Suppose that you have created a lot of documents and that document is visible in the reduced size. So that's called a thumbnail. Caption, a brief explanation, accompanying image or other object. It means a pictures with some textual information. So that pictures and that textual information is called a caption of that picture. Now let us revise. In the revised association is given. Objects in MS Publisher include text box, shapes, word art and pictures. The Insert tab provides option to insert shapes, pictures, change shape, outline, fill color in the shape and apply shape effect according to your need. Building blocks in Publisher 2030 are reusable objects that are combination, text, graphics, shapes and other building blocks. The picture tool lets you add the modify pictures in Publisher. You can swap, crop and arrange the set of picture as background in a Publisher document. The Format tab gives option to modify brightness, contrast, color, size and picture insert in a document. Tomorrow I give the question answer about it, but till now you have to read. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.